According to Teletron 1, Motormaster should be coming down this road right about now.
Well, look who's here! The old king of the road! When I'm finished with you, you'll be king of the junkyard!
Optimus, you're not gonna play chicken with that recall model, are you?
He's got no choice, Spike. Motormaster's gotta be stopped.
I've been waiting for this a long time, Prime!
Optimus! I can't see anything.
I'm not getting any radio response. Hey, something's moving in there.
I see something too. But is it Motormaster or... Yay!
No, it's Optimus Prime!